Okay guys, so let's make some model in our blender. Okay, yeah, let's make some model. Yeah, so uh, let me check that my stream working or not. I hope everything is working. Yeah, maybe okay. Okay, so maybe it's working, I don't know. Let me check in my uh, in my stream. I hope it's working. Okay, yeah, it's working. So let's make first I delete this light and the camera, and let's make a house. Also just rescale summit for making the ground. I hope this position is good enough, and then we will simply add one more cube, mesh cube, and also use this one to scale like these positions and also like this position. So it's now looking the house. Unkano Gamer, hello sir, hello Unkano Gamer, how are you brother? Hi, hello Unkano Gamer, long day see you brother. Okay, so let's make some like a house. I hope, yeah, this will be enough good, but I need some more heightness. Oh, let's do, okay, let's make it some more big, then we'll export in or we'll use in our Unreal Engine. So yeah, I think this heightness is good. Then let's go in edit mode and just cut into a face. So I have now, let's select the face first, this, or we just need to select the middle one. So now we can scale like a house. Okay, yeah, it's now looking like a simple house, low poly. Okay, then we'll simply just cut this house into a 4 pieces. First for the door, like this position will be for door and this left one is for window. Okay, so first we'll be select the face of this, then simply okay, no key available, sorry, maybe, yeah, now it's good. Okay, so just make like a door and simply resize it. Okay, maybe this, and just now scale down like a house door. Then we simply extrude this point, so E to extrude, so we'll just give it inside, and then yeah, it's now like a the under of door, and we'll use this thing for a door. Then we'll simply add here a window, so same that I to insert, okay, like a window, and then just simply scale down like a window. I think this window is so much big, I don't think house have like this big window. Okay, maybe it's good, and then same E to extrude for the window, and yeah, now it's looking like a house. If we go in the object mode, so you can see more goodly that it's looking like a house, simple low poly, but we need to do something more. So let's add some here that the house, making some more 3D. Simply go object, add mesh cube. So I just use this cube at here. You can use, if you want, you can also use something else, but I prefer to use cube because cube is easy to make something very goodly and fastly also. So I can also do the same. I can make this this stuff from this only one cube also, but there's a problem that if I create do the whole thing by one cube, when I go to set the mesh or the material setting, it will be also do the like the doors, windows, the all air is the same color will become, so I don't need that one. So for separating the color, I will also use the separate cubes. So for door I use a separate cube, and for mesh I will also use some separate, all things separate. Okay, so just first rescale it. Hi top, hi, hello top, how are you? Hello brother, welcome in the stream. If you have question, you can comment it in our comment box. I'll try to give you a reply. Also you can comment me about Unreal Engine, Blender, Sketchfire, and lots of. Okay, let's duplicate it and also give it in Y axle. Maybe it's good. And then from here you can see now it's looking like a door. Simple door. Okay, let's again duplicate it at Y scale and just make it at here. Just rotate this to a 90 degree and just now scale down at here. Maybe it's good, maybe no, it's not good. We need to scale it goodly. Okay, now it's so much good. So for reducing the size, I just simply use like this and make it some, I need these things in a separate. Oh, okay, this position is good enough. Yeah, and now what I'll do is very simple. I also can add a here that one more cube and also do that Y scale or the Y position, then just scale it like a door. Okay, like a door. So it's my door and this is my upper door. So let's select this hole and just drag some more up, come out. Also we need to rescale this because you can see now it's the size is come more big, that's why. Okay, now it's good. So it's now looking like a simple door, you can see. Now we also do the same thing for this. So I want my door and also the window the same color, so I can use this cube. So simply duplicate at Y scale and or Y positions and just simply now I will rescale it like a window. So let's set it in Y positions, but there's a problem that if you set in Y position you can't see the size of the mesh goodly. Okay, maybe this thing is good, and then simply Y to scale it. I hope this thing is good, and then simply first these two thing also do for same thing for in my up. Oh sorry, it's not set. Duplicate Y, just set like here, simply rotate at 90 degree. Now it's, you can see it's only 91 degree, so I just need to set it 90 degree. Maybe it's good. Yeah, it should be good. Okay, so at here now we need to again rescale it, and yeah, it's pretty good, quite enough good. Okay, but you can see there's a problem at the size, so I need to maintain the size. Seriously, I need to maintain the size or it will be not good. Okay, also we do the same thing for our Y, again Y position. So we have now the same. Okay, now it's a little bit like a window, and here's the door. Also I just copy this one more block from here, also at a Y position, but this one is for just make it some more lighter. So I think this will be good. So I can also extrude from inside, so it's give you more good, but you can see it's looking like so big. Okay, I don't want that this it's looking so much big window. So let me just scale it, just give some, and I think now it's good. What do you tell? It's good because it's low poly. Come on man, it's a low poly house. Okay, then let's add here simple one more object for cube mesh a icosphere, and we just drag it at here. First we rescale it because we don't want a big. Okay, just we are creating a simple model, and after then creating this thing we will simply add into our Unreal Engine, so we can test this the our mesh or house is perfect or not. Oh wait, there's a problem. Maybe this position. No, it should be more right. Yeah, I think it's now perfect. Maybe it's perfect. I hope so. Okay, now it's some perfect. Yeah, some perfect. So also I need to set this top. So for selecting this, simply go into edit mode and simply set the face and just duplicate it. Okay, and to my Y scale or the X scale. When it's done, I simply just make it some big. Okay, or the scale it. Okay, I think what is the position right now? Because I need the same position my house everywhere. Okay, so we'll simply do the same thing for another side also. Simply first Ctrl plus D to duplicate, X to set at the same position, and after doing this thing we'll simply again rescale it. So just as for a scale, and yeah, now it's a little bit like a house, but I can see that there's a problem into like this position. Now it will be good, so we need to set like this whole thing. Okay, I think okay, let's give it like okay, the size is now good. So now we'll simply extrude this whole thing. So for E to extrude, so now it's looking like a simple house up positions. Okay, yeah, it's looking like good, very good. We can also increase, also we can we can do lots of fun thing with this thing. Okay, so now it's looking a simple house. So just set these faces also, simply increase this thing because I need some more big. Okay, now if you go in the shadings, so you can see that our house looking pretty enough. If I go in object, so you can see more goodly that yeah, it's pretty enough like a low poly house. So you can also use in our Android or mobile. Okay, yeah, it's pretty enough good. So yeah, it's like a now we need to add here a simple some make it some more good or beautiful. So for making this, simply add a one more cube, add go object, add mesh cube, simply scale it. Okay, then we'll simply make it some like a simple cube or a simple plane. Also you can do by the same copy this the ground one, so you can rename from here, it's more good, but I'm doing like from here because I want. Yeah, because I want. Okay, when it's done, just add it like this. I think this is pretty enough good. Then we'll simply go into edit mode, just set the face. Now we'll be simply E to scale. Okay, and make it like a maybe you are understanding what I want, but there's a problem that you can see it's so much big, so I need to first rescale this thing. Okay, maybe now it's good. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, so again let's set this edit right and E to extrude. Okay, now it's good. Yeah, now it's good, pretty good. Now we need to add some cuts here, so let's add this here, a cut, and also we need some cut in up also, so I'm just adding some cut. Okay, now we'll simply just set the face again like this. Also we need to set like this face. Oh, okay, there's a problem. So first scale like this, then simply scale like this. Okay, I need to maybe add here a cut, so it's look very good. let's again set like this face, sorry, the face, and you know, there's I do some simply problem that I need to add cut at here also. So let's add a simple cut at here. Now I can, maybe this problem will be fixed. It's looking like Uncanny Commerce. Sir, I have a i5 Intel i5 8 GB RAM laptop. Is data good for game development? Yes, it's good for game development because Unreal Engine basically need 4 GB RAM minimum and Intel i4 or 5. Okay, but I think that you have a 8 GB RAM laptop. Okay, but you need to keep in mind that Unreal Engine is so much powerful engine. Okay, you know, this engine is totally so huge level engine. If I open the Unreal Engine, you also need to see the how much size is the engine. Let me show you that how much size is totally after downloading. So it's my Unreal, okay, and it is my, you can see Unreal Engine, okay, that is my Unreal Engine folder. If I now see the properties, this is only the engine size, okay, not the Apex store or the my asset. It's only the size of the, you know, the engine only. And here you can see it's calculating like more than 10 GB right now. I know that size is more, I know. Okay, let me show you that after the downloading whole thing and setuping for Android, Windows, and minimum 3 to 4. But sir, when I export a game, it's lag a lot and lots, sir. Sometimes it's crash my laptop. Yes, because Unreal Engine use lots of RAM, and here you can see the total size is 24.0 GB. That was, you know, 25 lakhs or more than oh my god, that was so much huge bytes. But however, you can see that it's 24 GB only the games, only the engine size. So also, if you see that when you export a game in Unreal Engine, you also see a problem that Unreal Engine, if you go in the task manager, okay, just go in task manager, you can see that Unreal Engine give you here in the task manager, you find that Unreal Engine open lots of, you know, like a software like lightning software, light building software, and also shading software, lots of software editors Unreal Engine open in a one place. Here you can see it's now just opening and using my RAM. You can see that what is the progress. So that's why when you try to make a game or when you try to export your game, it takes so much lag. Okay, how can I fix this lag when I export or import model in UE4? It's basically depend on your computer, because you need a powerful computer for making game development, because you need a heavy duty, you know, a heavy duty totally PC that actually can handle like engine software, because PC need to do lots of things. Okay, let me show you my task manager. Here you can see only it's now opening the project, but here you can see it's already used my 11% of CPU. Okay, so that was so much. If I now click at here, you can see it's also opening lots of in editor, and here you can see Crash Reporter Center and lots of file. Okay, let me show you one more thing that when I just click on file, packaging, and Windows export, let me just show you one location, and here you can see it's starting the progress. But if I go in the task manager, you can see the real. Okay, here you can see that now it's using the 40 to 50% of my CPU, for because Unreal Engine now open lots of, you know, now you can see that how much Unreal Engine open software, automation tool, consular Windows hosting, consular window host, UE editor, UE my project, and here you can see it's also opening the shadow compiler also. And now my CPU is, you can see 100%. okay, it's now using my 90 to 80% of my CPU. So for this thing, my computer will be lag, or your computer also lag. So for fixing this, okay, I recommend that when you when you want to when you want to export your game or do something work, make sure that if you don't have unnecessary, or you don't need like some software that now, like I just open here the Blender software or the my screen recorder, so just disable this thing, close off all the software which one you don't need, just clicking by end this task. Okay, just disable your useless software for some time, because Unreal Engine take lots of RAM in your CPU. Okay, it's not possible to connect it your Unreal Engine with GPU also, so for that Unreal Engine only use the CPU. So when it's use 80 to 90% of your CPU, your computer will be lag, sometimes it's maybe crash also. So also make sure that try to make some light game if you have not so much heavy duty PC. Okay, like if you don't have so much heavy duty PC, try to make some simple games, low poly assets, or try to use some simple assets, or there's a not so much heavy assets. Okay, simply make for Android or something else. So I hope you understand what I'm to tell you. Okay, just disable all the stuff or the things that you don't want to use. Okay, just disable it. Okay, you don't need more. Also Unreal Engine also build, when you click the build lights. Okay, that was so much take time also for my case too. I have sorry, I have a 16 GB RAM of PC, but when I click on the build light, it's also be lagged, because let me show you that. If I click on build light, okay, okay, you can see now it's building the lights. If I go in my task manager, okay, it's complete, because there's no much product of light, because I already built the whole light data, that's why. However, you can see that here, you can see there's a progress at here, that you can see an agent, maybe it's come at here, maybe somewhere it should become at here. Here you can see it is the light building software from give by Windows. Okay, so it's also become active for that. Lots of stuff work at one time, and your PC is become lagged. So I just recommend that when you try to export your game or building the lights or do some importing something, just disable your useless software or useless anything that you don't want to use right now when you are export or importing some asset in Unreal Engine. Okay, just this thing. Okay, I hope brother you'll like and you understand what I'm to tell. And yeah, you give a reply. Thank you, Unkeno Gamer. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, thank you so much for the acknowledging. And sir, now I will be not shoot on my cause of crashing. Shout on my laptop cause crashing. Yeah, okay. Hey, what is become let me see that assets. Are Unreal Engine give more assets or not? This asset is so much suck level asset. The serialized model characters, there's so much bugs. I hate this asset, but however I have lots of asset. Yeah, I have my full library by assets, asset, and asset. I have lots of asset. I totally already downloaded lots of assets. Wow, suck level. Okay, let's make this house again. Okay, now we have a simple I don't know what is still, but yeah, we have this. Now I will simply just I to insert it and E to extrude it, and when it's done, just make it some big, and also do this thing, set this. Okay, selecting this, E to extrude, also do the same thing for this side, and what is doing. Okay, E to extrude, also do the same thing from this side, shift E to extrude. Okay, now it's like a maybe it's like a, I hope how I want it's I don't know. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah, that's I want like this thing, not like the first one. Okay, if I go in now shading, So yeah, you can see that the house is now the low poly, our low poly house is now, yeah, quite enough good. So let's make some materials for our house. So for the up cube, the ground cube, like only for this one, we'll simply use the basic color of white, nothing else. For our these things, we'll create a new material, and I just give it now it's some dark, okay, and maybe it's good. And for my this window, I just create a simple material, and yeah, let me create a first a material at here that, you know, some brown color. Brown color, maybe the brown color will be more suitable. Okay, this one is good also. Or let's create a simple material at here. So here you can see I have this material. I just need to copy this. Can I copy this color? Hey, they're not giving me to copy the color. Okay, no problem. I just simply maybe can pick. Can I pick color? Oh my god, why they are not giving me the pick color option? From where we can pick the color? Can somebody tell? That was suck. Okay, however, okay, this good. Okay, you know, it's now take some time for making the same color for every pieces, because we just simply add different type of object at the here. When our house will be complete, you can see the final quality. Okay, you can also from see right now. Okay, that was good enough. And let's also do the same thing for the, hey, can I use this? Can I copy this? Come on, can I copy this? Oh, it's duplicating the material, suck. I want this thing. Okay, oh my god, I only can select it only one object for one material. Why? Come on, Blender, you should fix that. I can select multi of object. I can also by one, yeah, maybe by one. Okay, I need to set the drawer some, you know, lighter, so maybe it's looks more pretty good maybe. And this object should be white. Yeah, white is good for him. Okay, let's set this cube. Oh wow, I think this is a separate. Apply the same material to object with the same color. But bro, how I don't understanding that. How can I use the same material at the whole object? How can I pick this, you know, the material from where? From where can I pick this material? Where is the library of this material? Can somebody tell? Oh, can I use the same thing for every object? This is the materials. It's showing the material's name. Where? Oh my god, that was so irritable. Come on. I need to also fix this, you know, the suck level up pieces. You know, when I go in here, that I see that it's only in I think that it's separate, but now I'm seeing that it's not separate. So for the reason, I need to now delete this, you know. Oh my god, I need to delete this thing. Oh god, X to delete this, because because I add the same thing in a one cube. So what happening right now that if I go into shading, and when I just create from a material for my only for the walls, it's also do the same material in the roof also. That's I don't want. Here you can see that when I just said this one, it's also taking the same material from there also. Sir, will you make some C plus games or C sharp game tutorials? Bro, definitely I don't know about goodly about you know, the C plus plus. I have different version of engine. Here you can see I have the Unity, and I also have the Unreal Engine. I have, you know, Visual Studio Code also, because I am learning the code right now. Here you can see I just write some code, but there's a problem in my computer. Okay, also I just try to learning the C plus plus or C sharp. Also just I add some Python coding. Okay, just simply just learning, not so much good at coding right now, because I love you know, the blueprint code, because Unreal Engine give me that. However, when I just try, when I successfully learn, I will must try to also make some videos about the C++. I know my English is totally huge level bad. However, can I fix this problem of this texture? Oh my god. Can I? Can I? How can I separate these the house up section into? Oh my god. Okay, let's delete this face, or can I destroy this whole thing? Face delete, face delete, face delete. Oh, I'm now deleting the all the face. Let's select this whole thing, delete by one. X to delete face. Let's just select some first whole faces. Yeah, I think I select the whole faces. Maybe not, I don't know. Let's also do the same for this side. Maybe it's deleting one face only. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's deleting. Sir, how much time you spend on learning or making games development in days, and how much, sir, I should learn in a day if I am 13-year-old? Okay, that was pretty good because I am also a class 10 student. Okay, yeah, I am also not complete my metric also. Yeah, I'm simply a student also. And you just question me that how much time you spend on learning to making games. Look, brother, when I first starting the game development, maybe I am in class 8 or 9, maybe I'm not remember goodly, that maybe it's 8 or 9, when I the PUBG game come, maybe in 19 or 80. Okay, I just see the PUBG game and I just think that, oh, why the PUBG look like this? The trees should be like the right side or the left side or something other side. So from there I just want that I will create my own game. So I just searching in internet that how I can make game, how I can make Ben, how I can make simply game. So I found first time I see the Unity, because there's a come, if I search in right now the how to make game, like here go YouTube and search how to make game in PC. Okay, so there come the Unity first. Here you can see best game code or game development Unity, lots of tutorials. 80% of tutorials come about Unity. I just think that wow, it's so good. And I found a video of Bracket, maybe it's called Unity, Unity Bracket or some. If I search Unity, maybe it's come, her channel will become Break It or something, name her. Yeah, Breakeries. Okay, so I found this guy that he makes some scene at Unity, but I don't know at that and I don't know at that time that he's using model making. He using the model or he using the light build. Let me show you that which video I see it. I just see a simple environment making maybe from this guy. Which video I see it? Oh, which video? Why is video go? Why your video go? My god, he has a tons of videos right now. My god, that was huge level of video. Why is his video go? He's just make a simple environment, a city maybe environment. Last I remember, maybe which one? No, it's kind of like the city. He just make a city maybe. Yeah, here you can see. I just see this one. Okay, he just show that making a video that or the modeling or the just simply he just see that the house, the buildings. He just show me that building, so I just also try to download the Unity, and just when I just open the Unity, I totally lost my brain that I don't know about the model making or the something else. I don't know about anything, that how to import models, how to export model or anything. So it's very tough for me to understanding. Then I go and search some more videos, and I found the Unreal Engine videos that I just search. Like here I just searched some game development engine like this game DEVE development, okay, and just search game development engine without code. Okay, I just search without code. I just search simply that without code, and without code I just find his video, that this guy Ask a Dev Games. Okay, I just found his video, and then I just see that he's telling about a good engine, that Unreal Engine. Okay, let me show you. He's also talk about the Unreal Engine.
Asking.
Let's go visual player enemy. He just simply show some, the engines. Where is this part go? Yeah, this thing. At
Hello
this
and
video. He's promoting right now. I don't
I'm your
know.
Code Monkey, and here's an FPS.
Code Monkey. This is the video of Code Monkey. However, here at this here he just talk about the Unreal Engine. Here I just see this game engine logo, Unreal Engine. I say, oh my god, Unreal Engine, that was so cool, nice. So then I just go and then I search Unreal Engine. Okay, I just search like this word Unreal Engine, and found, oh my god, there is a tons of video at Unreal Engine and so much beauty. And also you can see my video also right now coming in Unreal Engine. Okay, if I search in Unreal Engine, here you can see my low poly asset by Coding Bangla YT, and here all the videos come. So I just go their official videos of Unreal Engine. I think that they officially learn the model making or the game development, and I just see that they are not doing the step by step, because Unreal Engine only, if you go there Unreal Engine official YouTube channel, you see that there only highlights their projects or the community or the some the companies, only just some of their playlist have some game development series, like a third person shooting or something like a critical things. So I just also get backside and just searching some YouTubers or seeing some videos, that how can I learn. Okay, so I just go at here, and yeah, I found lots of YouTuber to making the some cool thing. So first I just learned that how can I make simple first how can I create this simple game in Unreal Engine. I basically open my Unreal Engine, then I go in the template section, simply make a third person template. Okay, just I'm showing that how I can do, how I also do the same thing, that go games, click next, set any type of template that how you want, just set, I just set the third person and click on next. And they also tell me that the content, and I found this thing, that blueprint. I very like this blueprint, and create, just simply click on the create the project, and that was so much fun. Okay, and after I'm doing this thing, what I do is basically very simple. I just click on play, and I become so much happy. Yay, I create my first game. Oh my god, that was so much nice. Then I simply go on the files and package, go on Windows export, and yeah, that was seriously so much fun for me, that when I just create my first game is only a third person template. Now it's nothing, I understanding. So basically, for how much I learn from zero to from now, it's take me like in middle of some time I also delete the Unreal Engine, because I need to study, I need to do lots of work, that's why. So some of time I delete the Unreal Engine, but I always try to make some day something or something. I did some first day I learned that how can I simply just control the Unreal Engine. Second day I just learned that how can simply drag and drop the object in the wall like this. Okay, when I first time doing this thing, it's so much critical for me, because I don't know anything about Unreal Engine, that how can I control this engine. So yeah, it's pretty enough good. So it's basically take the time of lots of time. It's dependent also yourself, that how much time you spend in this engine. Okay, nothing else. So let's continue our game development or the house making. Okay. Hey, now I will simply do this thing at the middle point. Just scale it. Yes, sir. I also, when I create my first game, I open my first FPP game. I also happy and I show my parents that I make a game. Yeah, yeah. Oh, bro, Uncanogeva, you write in Hindi words. I understand Hindi. You know, if somebody tells, I understand Hindi, but I don't know about the Hindi words. Sorry, sir, I waste your time, but you helped me a lot. Thank you so much, sir. No problem, brother. No problem. No problem. Let's make like this house roof, because you know maybe some of that is done. Seriously, it's edit mode. Suck. It's in edit mode. I don't my object in edit mode. I need to do it in my object mode. Mesh cube. Now it's have a separate cube. That was suck. Let's again rescale it. सर आपको हिंदी आता है? यस, मुझे हिंदी आता है. मैं मुझे हिंदी वर्ड समझ में नहीं आता, लेकिन मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ अच्छी तरीके से. मुझे हिंदी समझ में भी आती है. ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरा बहुत सारा इंडियन दोस्त है, नेपाली दोस्त है, बहुत सारा ही है. दे आर टोटली सक लेवल फ्रेंड्स जो मुझे हिंदी सिखा दिया, बहुत बहुत हद तक सिखा दिया. ओके, सो लेट्स डिवाइड दिस थिंग. Wow, sir. Yes, yes. My friends are pro player. Maybe this position good. I don't know. Let's go in the object mode and just rescale it and try to adjust this thing. I know this is the most suck level house, but it's support low poly. I'm making this house for only low poly, because that's why I need to maintain lots of things that not so much quality, because I want to this asset use in my Android project. That's why. Maybe this thing is good, quite enough. Yeah, let's go at shading. Now you can see it, I have the separate of my roof. That's I want. So now I can also set the different type of color at my roof. Here you can see. Hey, how was a low poly house? Maybe my stream is coming at YouTube, so let me see that how I make my template. Yeah, here you can see the blue color of the house rooftop. So yeah, let's give it a blue color. Maybe this color is good. Maybe, I hope so. And then there's some white, kind of like white. Okay, white color, or I can use the silver color also. That was looking a cartoon house. Isn't it looking like a cartoon house, guys? I think it's looking like a cartoon house. It's oh my god. I need to add here a simple also cube. Let's go into a modeling mode. I need a simple window reflection, that's why. So for making this, simply use this. No sir, it's a very luxury house. Luxury house. Luxury house. Oh my god, it's luxury house. That was crazy. It's luxury house. Who has spent this house? If anybody come to stay at this house, they tell me that which fucking make it this house? Which poor guy make this house? He don't have any sense. Okay, now I can also set like some blue color. So maybe sorry, create a new material, blue. It's seriously like a, you know, a drawing that we make in paper, a paper house, you can also tell in paper house. Okay, I think this, you know, the house, the windows and the door size is so much big, so just rescale it, nothing else. What is rescaling? I don't know. Oh, it's only rescaling the one part. Oh my god, what the suck, kids. Also I need to remove like this cube, so let's just destroy this cube, duplicate and Y position. And also scale down like this. Okay, maybe this now good. Maybe it's become low. Also do the same thing for like this side. Just simply X, come on, delete this thing, delete this circle level window. First I rescale it, then I adjust the location. Wow, it's so hard to scale. Y position. Let's go add shading. What you tell, guys? Now it's good, some maybe. You can see it's maybe needs some more, you know, down. Let's go model this thing. This stuff should be more down, or give it some more big. Okay, now should, maybe now it's good. What you tell? Now it's good. I hope so. Yes sir, yeah. Okay, so if it's good, so let's import it in our Unreal Engine. So which project I open? Okay, let's open my the low poly assets. So maybe it's in this, my project 2. Let's now import. First we need to export this. So also I need to do one more thing, that I need to make it in a single cube, okay, because it's in separate. So let's set by all, maybe it's all. Let's go object all to select all, and simply windows, maybe no object, and collection, link to a collection, sorry, object transform object, a simple object. Okay, now it's have only in a one object, so the whole thing is good. Sir, only one shades on can make some cuts, so I will be link breaks. What sir, on the sheet on can make some cuts, so it will be like break. Yeah, I also think that if we can add some, you know, there's some rooftop, like, yeah, like this rooftop, some cubes, yeah, it should be good more. But maybe for like a me noob, maybe it's quite enough. First let's try it in our Unreal Engine, that will be see. Let's go in our demo map of the low poly town. I already give my all viewers. Let's go map, the overview, you know, this world. Okay, I already give this whole asset. So let's simply go import. Okay, I need to first export this. Maybe it's now good. Let's try one more, that shading, all the okay, let's go edit, files, export, FBX, and I can set anywhere. Let's go in unleashed or let's just give it name house 00 house 00 dot fbx. Should be good. Okay, house 00 fbx. Okay, now let's simply go import and house. Here is my model, open, and 0.3 is good, local position, all the stuff is good. Let's click on import, and now it takes some time for import, I know, because there's so much RAM in using my screen recorder using. Okay, it's done. Now if I just simply drag this thing in my world, so I can see my house. Here is my low poly house. Yeah, my house come. Okay, there's need some time for rendering the colors or the materials also. When it's done, it should be good. Guys, did you see a problem? Just tell me what you see a problem. I see just a simple a cube problem. This cube, like here you can see this cube is not the perfect position. I can see the cube have some maybe bug. This cube, yeah, it's not giving the sides. I don't know why. Like this, only the house cube. Sweet house, beautiful home. Wow, sweet house and beautiful home. I do the stick. What is the problem of like this cube? Seriously? Hey cube. Hey cube. What you have problem? All this thing is good, but there's only problem at the cube. Let's see. I also create some models like backpack, some guns. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, the house is so little. I can even jump from house also. Okay, the collision is not set, so I need to set the collision. But you can see the house is totally very small house. It's like a kid house. Oh my god, I need to make it like some more big, so I can also scale it by giving it like 3. I also need to do the for whole of house object. Okay, like I need to set this whole thing. So just search it at here, house, and I found the whole house cube. And at the whole house cube, I need to just scale it like a 3 by 3 by 3. Sir, are you okay? Do you have yeah, I have some, because I don't know what's really Indian language, like tonsil, maybe tonsil, like this. I have some problem in my tonsil, but it's now I take some medicines and I am now pretty enough good. Maybe now the house is so much big. Why the suck level all the thing for my case? Let's do it, give it a 2 by 2 by 2. Are the houses now good? What do you tell, guys? I think the house is now good. Yeah, I think also the house is now good. Hey house, how are you? Yeah, it's like a simple, a low poly battleground. Yes, please be safe. And I will pray you recover soon. Thank you so much, sir. House is very good to live. Yeah, house is very good to live. That is quite enough good, I also think. A house, but there's a house. The house has some bugs like this. The up level, I don't know why these suck level bugs are here. Oh, what the hell? The tree is corner of this house. Sometimes it becomes so fun. at the game making into game. Hey, I want to, I want to go in the above house. Let's do it. Let's check. Can I go up in the house? I want to check. Oh, there. I want to go in up. Maybe now good. Now I can maybe. Yes, 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 yeah. That was good. Can go the above house. So guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for come and join, guys. I love you so much. The next time we'll create some more good thing, or try to make some more good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.